Glenn.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. Help me up.
So you want to get up?
Yeah.
I think you should just sit there for a minute. Just sit there for a minute.
He's on my bike.
Don't worry about your bike.
I gotta take this helmet off.
It looks like you've been in a crash. iPhone will trigger emergency SOS if you don't respond.
911, 911. Just get your bearings, man. Whoa, 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 whoa! Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow. What the fuck happened? He hit this camera guard and threw him fucking off his bike.
What the fuck?
It bounced him all fucking 2 feet off the ground.
Hey, Glenn,
Yes, sir.
can you guys go try to pick up my bike?
Yeah. I'm trying to get emergency something here. I don't know how to use the emergency on the phone. It didn't.